There are big problems with the US democracy because almost every time they want to have a new law, the other part of the Senate can make a filibuster instead of talking in 10 hours to make the time run. That is a big problem for the nation um, because then we won't ever move forward, and then the financial crisis will be prolonged, and with this crisis we won't be able to move forward. And you know why we have to take this financial crisis seriously. If we don't get rid of this crisis soon, more people will lose their jobs and more people will starve. Another big problem I see is that the people of the America not are having enough effect on the country. For example, one thing is that you deserve to go to jail, but is it also one more time? One thing is that you deserve to go to jail because you have been stupid, but should the judge take your vote so we won't have any effect on the country at all? I don't think so. Every single man or woman should have a chance of being a part of America. Weaponry shouldn't be that easy to get in your fingers in. For example, we're hearing about all these school shootings and we want them to stop, but it's really so easy to get your hands into weapons. So we have to make a new law maybe, and that is a problem. That's one other problem with the filibuster. Um, the America is one of the biggest shooting tents we have ever experienced. Therefore, I would like if we made some rule changes so that our kids and the next generation after that can change. I mean that some kids are playing PS3 games, a lot of shooting, Black Ops 2, Call of Duty, Counter Strike. Yeah, almost everything is violence, and maybe some is thinking like, oh, that could be cool if it were the real world. Some get sick maybe. That's a problem. So we have to stop this right now, or you know, or else the consequences will be very bad for the future. So we have to make some changes about the laws, and if we don't get rid of this filibuster, then we won't be able to get forward. So I think that should be a very big change for America if we could let this go.